Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Tom, the Whiskey Wrangler, Pacific Northwest. So I got this for my birthday, and it's a 3-liter barrel, and I thought, what could I do with it? So I am going to put some Buffalo Trace White Dog mash number 1, and this is 125 proof. Has corn, rye, and malted barley recipe. 62.5 alcohol volume. So we're gonna put that in the barrel first. Should put these on. So put that in there. Now this is my first time doing this, so I don't know exactly how this is gonna work out, but we're gonna give it a shot anyways. So if you have any comments, go ahead and shoot me a comment. I'd love to read them. Hope this all fits. And then I'm gonna test this once a week, see where it's at. I don't know how long to let it sit there and sit for, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna pop that off. Oh, and by the way, this is Old Taylor. It's 80 proof, and it's also from Buffalo Trace as well. And we'll see how this works. Again, it's 80 proof, mixing it with a 125 proof. So it's gonna proof it down a little bit. But my curiosity is the proof gonna go up? You know, what's the color gonna look like? So, again, this is a 3-liter barrel. This is a 175. And we're gonna pull it all the way up to the top. See what happens here. So if anybody else is out there done something like this, shoot me a comment. Let me know what you've done, tried. How long did you age it for? I'm just curious, and maybe I'll try it as well. So just about there. All right, we got a little bit more room in there. Came prepared, I think. See it in there. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I hope good. I'm gonna have to save these bottles. Gotta pour it back into something. All right, and have a little bit left over here. See how it turns out. So let me know what you guys think. 4 weeks, 6 weeks. Oh, there we go. We hit it. There we go. We are at maximum capacity. Little angel share there. There we go. Let's put it away and see where it goes. Talk to you soon. Bye.